Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? How's it going everyone? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back. I'm here to do a review and unboxing for a certain item that I pre-ordered months ago. It's from United Kingdom. And I had to take a look at the package. Not bad. But, I had to take a look at the package, but it's all very well. And it's directly from a site that I pre-ordered. From Merchoid Limited. If anyone doesn't know it, link will be in the description box specifically for a watch that I ordered. And it's part of a program that you might be familiar with, outer space stuff. Everybody knows outer space, you know, who's the people involved in the Apollo projects and other things. Heck, what the hell? Who doesn't even remember the NASA? NASA. NASA. How obviously is that? Heck. So, we've been getting watches, but from G-Shock, of course, for the NASA collabo, but unfortunately, that is very, very pricey. Or maybe I could still get it, who knows? That's a big mystery unknown right there. But what the hell, shut up, Marco. Sorry, Sparky. Hell, let's go check what is in this thing, huh? You know what, better yet? What the heck? Protection, the receipt is here. Wow, very cool. Merchoid, very cool. Better yet, let's see it in person away from this garage or someplace in the crib. Heck, let's slap it out of here. Well, y'all, here we are in the man cave, and where the heck is the item? The watch. Where the hell is it? The heck? Where the hell is it? Me, no. Looks like I'm going to do an illusion here, folks. An illusion. And here it is, folks. It has arrived. A Metroid NSA Retro Digital Watch. NSA Retro Digital Watch. That's right, folks. It's here. And look how the packaging is. Red in every corner, but here is where you can pull the watch. You can put it back in. How the heck am I going to open this thing? Oh yeah, another snap. Voila, folks, here it is. The NASA Retro Digital Watch. NASA Retro Digital Watch. Let me just show you a little bit of the whole menu in a few languages. Magnum Brands Group. And that's what it's called. The watch itself. And let's see from the back. Holy cow, you got more languages. In Spanish, Italian as well. This is the instruction set, so. And here's the watch. Very good packaged. Every split, very particular detail. Wow. Glow in the dark, y'all. Backlight. And of course, waterproof 30 millimeters. What's the word for it? 30 meters water resist. So yeah, this is part of the John F. Kennedy Space Center. Wow, it's right there. And it is proof for NASA.
And on the back, you have NASA, water resist, 3 ATM, 2-star, 3 ATM, battery code ZR2016. It's the battery look that's going to be getting. And let's take another look at something. Hold on, folks. And let's take a, and among other things, this is a great piece to come out this year for 2021. I pre-ordered this in the summer. Really, the summer was very great. No lie, no kidding. And with that, let's play a little music for representing this year for 2021. And with that, I'm done, folks. Music coming up for music called Breach, or is it The Breach by Starset. And the measurements will be in the description down below. But it is consistency of one of the Casio pieces of today and the past. And after this video, I'll do Afterglow. So folks, how is 2021 so far? Digging it? Pretty cool. Me, it's going fine. A little bit bummer out that next month is Spooky Empire, which I'm excited, but the bummer part I found out about yesterday is that one of the guests, Pinhead himself, Doug Bradley, the villain from Hellraiser, won't be able to come next month. He canceled his convention appearance for this year, and looks like maybe next year we'll probably see him, or if he'll come around to a private signing in Florida, who knows. I wanted me Doug Bradley. I already got an autograph, not from him. I got it at a place at Spooky for a good price, for 45 bucks. And yeah, but bummer I wouldn't get to meet him. Oh well, there's always next year. All right, let's take a look. You got your alarms. Okay, you guys see that little viber? And just for the time, hours, and seconds. You got your alarm. When I put it together, it'd be a very annoying for that. So yeah, it's just plastic or something. Okay, it was well packaged. Nothing indicating scratch, whatever. Ignore that. So yeah, the bummer about this watch is there's no timer. I like the timer. What the heck happened? No timer? Oh well. Can't always get what you want, dudes and dudettes. But the band is, I think it's resin, or it's very, very soft. A little textury, or just very, very soft than the regular resin band. But it's rubbery-ish. Very good detail. It doesn't even have a number. But I would not beat the hell out of this watch. And speaking of which, let me show you something else, folks. Let me show you something quick, folks. Alright, if you want to get your hands on a watch, yourself, you want to purchase one yourself, don't worry, folks. You can purchase it online. Yep. This product is selling fast, so whoa. Anybody interested in getting yourself, get one. It's pretty cool. So yeah, 29 bucks. I pre-ordered this months ago for that price. So yeah, link will be in the description box down below as well. So I highly doubt there's no other watch around this, but we have been getting NASA watches, like the Omega Speedmaster is among one of those. Also, we've been getting some Casio watches, but it's the G-Shock NASA. That's what it is. DW5600. Which I'm kind of shocked and bummed out. Can't even get it. I was on a bidding for one, but unfortunately, it just like went bye-bye after that. Really. And it's kind of pricey though. They have it in variation designs. Alright, you already saw this one. Now you have this black bezel white band with NASA. Ooh, that's very pricey. Here's this one. Oh, here's the whiteout one. So yeah, that's very expensive. So if anybody has known these other YouTubers I follow, such as that was Star Breach with, that's the Breach with, what the heck? That was Star Set playing the song, The Breach. So yeah, and this is the package, what it looks like on these G-Shocks for the NASA collabos, and it is marking 40 years since NASA. So yeah, very surprised. And here's a little tribute photo for NASA for the G-Shock. What appears to be part of the early days of the 5600s. I'm gonna have to be specifically, maybe it could be the 5200 or the DW5000, or yeah, one of those, of course, paying tribute for NASA. Not 1981. 1983 was the birth year for G-Shock. But hell, this is just celebrating it. Here's an astronaut, what appears to be on his left wrist, a DW5900. This had to be taking place in the 90s, of course. That was around the time when that particular piece was out. Even some astronauts were wearing their G-Shocks. And even some of those who couldn't afford the Speedmasters, and among other things. So yeah. So let me know in the link down. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you like this video? Did you want to get your hands on a NASA? Are you a fan of going to outer space pretty soon? Let me know that. And among other things, links will be in the description box down below, and the measurements and size are going to be subscribed to, there's going to be a description mentioning it as well. Heck, so anybody like to go to outer space one of these days, let me know. I would like to fly around space. Heck, no lie there. Very gravity or gravy. But anyways, like the video, share the vids. Links will be in the description.